Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going to work now. It is already 1 o'clock when I left the house. And this is how it is today. Yeah, it has been raining since yesterday. And yeah, this is actually a new vlog. This is not the old vlog that I always do before. Yeah, this is a new vlog. Today is March 14, 2023. And I'm going to work now. I am riding the bike today because the van is at the auto electrician. I brought the van there this morning 8 o'clock, and then coming home I just walk. I am supposed to bring this bike, but yeah, it was raining when I went to the auto electrician. And this is how it is here at the moment. There are these four-wheel drive cars, and this is the view. Nice. It is more nice when it is sunny. It is so good to bike and vlog. With the van, yeah, I can't really vlog because driving to the apartment is very fast. Going to work is very fast. It's just 5 to 10 minutes to drive. But I am really enjoying driving. Yeah, so I like it whatever the situation is, whether I need to bike or I am on driving. I like them both. Nothing much really changed in here. It's still the same. It is still early, so we are going to walk in here. It is a little bit humid. There is no wind this time. Yeah, no wind, and really quiet too. It's because of the rain. I hope that there is no rain tonight when I get home, but it's okay. I have my rain jacket and rain trouser inside my backpack. Oh, I didn't notice this house. Yeah, behind the mall is, they are now starting the construction of a new one. Oh, now the sun is there showing. Yeah, it is hot actually because there is no wind. Usually there is wind breeze, but there's none today. Look, the water is really nice. It is now 1:18 and we're going to stay here, but yeah, the seat is actually wet. It's wet. And yeah, my bike is still working good. Look at, but already with this rusty. The chain actually put some oil yesterday. Lubricant is that? And the handle. Oh, what's that? And there is one van over there. Yeah, Volkswagen Transporter, also the same as mine. I have Skyflex here. And you know, my chef maybe doesn't notice that I am night shift today and breakfast tomorrow. So I will be working until 10 o'clock tonight. That is the usual night shift. And then working at 6 o'clock tomorrow. It is going to be just me, Divina, and yeah, our executive chef. And our executive chef will be leaving by maybe 8 o'clock because he starts at 11. So 11 to 8. And so the one who's going to close is just me and Divina. And I cannot leave Divina by cleaning by herself. Yeah, so I need to stay to clean. But it is better here. Better to work here in regional Australia compared to the city like Sydney. I always mention that before when I was working in Sydney. Actually, even in Dubai, we are working at 12 hours. And tomorrow morning, I will also be riding the bike, going to work, 6 o'clock. Yeah. And tomorrow afternoon, after work, I'll go straight to collect the bun. Good afternoon.
Good. Oh, Pippa, sorry.
It's alright.
Food.
Actually, the bun is almost ready. Yeah, so after the electricals, after that works, that auto electrician works, I just need to put some kind of wallpaper to make it good looking. I was really, what is that? Yeah, on that side there is a ferry or boat on the water, and on top of the boat or ferry there is a helicopter. What's going on? Okay, I'm going to use my mobile phone because I can zoom it farther. Oh, this maybe is kind of training. Yeah, this is the maximum zoom that this Samsung Galaxy can do. Look how far is that. Yeah, amazing, huh? It is now 1:40, and yeah, my duty today is at 2 o'clock, and I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty and I am going home now. I start at 6 and I just finished yeah, just now. Actually 2:15 already when I sign out. Oh, this one is noisy. And this is how beautiful it is. Good morning, good afternoon. This is how beautiful it is. Amazing. Yeah, I was very excited to finish my duty. Yeah, because I thought I'll be able to get my bun, but you know, when I get out of the workplace, I get a message and it says that yeah, the bun will be taking another day or more, and so my excitement is gone. Hopefully when I finish my duty tomorrow, yeah, I will receive a message that it's ready to pick up. I hope it is not going to take so long, because it is like I'm almost dedicating all my time on working on that bun. So not having that for one day is really no good. I miss my bun. I actually booked that service for over a month already. Oh, the ladies, they are here. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's been a while. Last night the weather is nice today. There are many people there swimming. Oh, long time that I never been through this way, but nothing changed. It is still the same like this. There are people along the way. I am greeting them and they are replying hi there. Good afternoon. Hopefully Hopefully I'll get the bun tomorrow. Yeah, I'm really excited to get the bun, to see the electricals, to see the lights, to see the electrical outlets. Actually my bun battery system is working already. Yeah, I'm actually able to use it in the construction of the bun. But what is going to happen now is that the electrician is going to connect the auxiliary battery or the luxury battery to the main battery of the car, so that when I am driving, it is charging the auxiliary battery or the leisure battery. And another source of power of that is the solar panel. So it means that in case there is no sun, when it is cloudy or when it is rainy, the battery is going to be charged by the main battery when I am driving. Look at that, the water is very calm, peaceful. I just wanna live and it's coming forever. Oh, look at this. I like this Toyota, I don't know the name, but Toyota, I like it. And this side is here, beautiful. And then the same like 2 years ago or before 2 years ago, yeah, there are many bus in here. Basically they are tourists. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 during the COVID days. Yeah, 2020 2021 2022, there is no tourists like this. So basically the tourists, they are riding that cruising restaurant, Dolphin and Whale Watch. When I get home, there is no rice. Oh, I am going to buy rice, just 1 kg. Okay, we're going inside. Oh, look at this, there are many of this of kind of egg, because their egg hunting is coming. Yeah, and there are this yeah, kinds of toys. And I'm actually tempted to buy a new vacuum cleaner because my vacuum is already broken. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I actually have a new housemate. Yeah, he's coming from the United States, coming from San Diego, California. Yeah, and he's in the house. Hey mate, how are you? Yeah, yeah, I don't know how to introduce you to everyone. Yeah, so this is my new housemate. Actually, he's like a mini-me. Looks like me. Look at the hat. Similar to my one. But the only difference is the shoes. Yeah, I don't have this kind of shoes. But the shirt, the short, the hat, the teeth. Looks like me. So it's my mini-me. My new housemate. Yeah, an American coming from San Diego, California. He arrives coming from this box. Yeah, thank you to Mrs. Emily for sending me my new housemate. Yeah, Mrs. Emily is the, you know, the one that I met in Sholby before, together with her husband. Yeah. So basically Mrs. Emily is Australian, but the husband is American, so they are living in America, in San Diego, California. I think this is she made this one. She made this my new housemate. Yeah, that's my new housemate. Actually, I don't know what is the name. I don't know what is his name yet. I'm just calling him my housemate. I can't call him Robbie because it's me. Maybe I call him Bitoy or Obit or Rob. What is the name? What's your name?